Greetings. My name is Dorothy Elliott, and this is the screencast for my computational thinking artifact. So, I chose to do a Nearpod lesson for this artifact because the lesson that I was given, which is Secondary Social Studies Mapping Your City, or Sorting the Cities, excuse me, there wasn't really much of an introduction to the form of data and why students want to use it. So the standard associated with the lesson is to collect data using computational tools and transform data to make it more useful and reliable. And the objectives that I'm trying to tackle today include accurately creating different decision statements and collecting data. But the reason that I chose to do this Nearpod lesson really does center around creating a foundation for the objectives to be established, meaning that children or students need an orientation as to why they will want to collect data and why it is meaningful to them. So this is the title to my Nearpod lesson. It's called The Importance of Data. And Nearpod is a free tool. This link is shareable, but other teachers can access this resource and create lessons that fit their own needs. So this is going to be a student poll, and it says, does data affect your day-to-day activities? So students can either answer yes or no, and this can lead into discussion about how even if they don't think data does affect them, it does. And this is a short information slide about what data is, and a graph that they can use to follow, which further is like warrants further instruction and kind of explanation. And this is a collaboration board. So students can collaborate, get in groups, and think about what types of data do you know of. And an example does include data from your web browser. But that type of data can also be things that news reporters use every day, like such rate of this, such rate of that, etc. And another information slide about data collection and what the point is of data collection is. And this is an informational video called The Power of Data, and this is very informative. It kind of outlines how data is collected and used, and it provides some real-world examples for students. And a further information slide, and this also talks about the activity that we're doing, which is what the whole point of this intro lesson is to kind of introduce that type of thing. And this is how does data help individuals and companies. And so this once again provides some real world examples and things like that to kind of help the student understand and more eloquently articulate why they want to collect data and how it's relevant to their education.